Stock number 40809P. It's a 2014 A5 Audi. It does have a key, it does not start. You can see the front grille's got some paint problems down there. The hood is good as well. Dents right there. Quarter panel's no good. Rear deck lid's no good. Rear bumper's no good. This quarter panel over here's got a big dent. Passenger and the driver's seat belts are locked. It does have a key, it does not start. Seats are electric. Seat belt's no good. This is all that happens when I try to start it. Nope. Stereo works, everything. Turn it back off. This seatbelt over here is locked. It does have a sunroof. Seatbelts are no good back there either, they're locked. So all the seatbelts are locked. Again, this is stock number 40809P. It is a 2014 Audi A5. It does have a key, it does not start.